Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Karen to Clean. In this video, I'm going to give you a fall tour, and basically it's going to be at like 4 places. So we're going to start out on the front porch, the front entry, my living room, and then the kitchen. So let's get started. Okay, so I'll be right back with you guys. Okay everyone, we are starting the fall tour. And as you can see, I got my fall sign up right here on the column. And then on my front door, I have my wreath, and I have my pumpkin, and I have my lantern with the candle lit. I don't know if you can see it that well, but here it is. And I'll try to get you a video more during the evening time. Okay, we are inside the front entry area, and you can see that I have my welcome sign up here at the front. I'm thinking maybe I should move that down to the, move it down, but I'm not exactly sure where. But anyway, if you have any tips on what I could do, please let me know. Okay, and then I have my little goober, little wreath thingy, bushel thingy that I have right here at the front. And this thing right here is from Amazon, I believe. And then the faux flowers are from Dollar Tree. And then my daughter made this pumpkin right here. Cute. And then when we go into the living room, on the fireplace mantle, we have some pumpkins that I bought from Aldi. This vase of flowers right here, fall flowers, and my Happy Fall Y'all sign. And I believe I got that one at Aldi too. The vase I think I got from my mom, and the faux flowers I got from Dollar Tree. Then when you come over here to the cabinet right here, I have a sign called Leaves Are Falling, Autumn is Calling. Got that at Aldi. And I got the what you call that bottle right there was a wine bottle. And I just use it for a vase. And I just put my, faux flowers in there. And then up here on the cabinet, I have another pumpkin thing that I got. And then I also have, my mom had this in her house. Sorry guys, I'm trying to handhold this camera. Anyway, so I got this tray and that from my mom, and I'm using it as like a vase and like a little tray type of thing. So I thought that was kind of cute. So anyway, yeah, that's my living room area. And here in my kitchen, I am gonna show you what I did in here. So this was a castor oil bottle, and I just cleaned it out and took the wrapping off of it and used it as a vase. And the 2 pumpkins are from Aldi, or not Aldi, Dollar Tree, sorry. And then I put like a little small wreath, and I honestly don't remember where I got that because I've had it for quite a bit. It might have been Goodwill, but I can't remember exactly. And then right here in this corner, this was like a toothbrush holder that I used to have in my bathroom. But now I'm using it as like a vase type of thing. And this pumpkin, I think my mom gave it to me, but I can't remember. And then I have a cutting board that I bought at Ross just recently. And then, of course, this lantern, and I don't have it turned on right now. And then this little pumpkin thing. Pumpkin thing, I bought at Dollar Tree. And the lantern, I think I got it at Walmart, but you can pretty much get these lanterns anywhere. Okay, I'm going to try to hold this steady, guys. I'm using my selfie stick. Anyway, that is my fall tour. I didn't do a whole lot. I tried to keep it simple, very budget friendly. And you can do a lot with decor as long as, just kind of spread it out and just use your imagination. It always amazes me on how budget friendly I can make it. So anyway, with all that, I just want to say thank you. And I hope you subscribe to my channel, Karen to Clean. Please like, comment, share, all the things. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.